Looking for a clean and reliable sleeper that is ready to go to work? Check out this 2023 Mack Anthem 70-inch sleeper with 265,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a 445 horsepower MP8 engine and has an Mdrive automatic transmission with a 2.47 rear axle ratio. This truck has plenty of life in it. It has engine, transmission, and engine after treatment warranty until July of 2027. This Mack Anthem has been serviced, detailed, gone through DOT inspection, and is ready to go to work for you. Need financing? We have options. Call or text me to schedule your test drive. You can reach me at 920-934-0867. Come out to Kriete Truck Center in Fond du Lac. We have lots of other Mack and Volvo sleepers just like this one. Kriete Truck Centers, keeping you moving.